Okay, already we know about the domain and range. What are those? If y equals to f of x is a function, then domain is nothing but it is a input. It is an input for which output is real. Okay, definitely for real values of input we will get the real value of output. Okay, real. Okay, now input is nothing but domain. It is domain, and output is nothing but range. Okay, first of all we have to solve. Let us go with the problems of domain. In this video we are discussing about the domain. Okay, it is the input. Now clearly today we are discussing about the domain. Now the domain, it is an input, yes or no? Okay, now input is always, now anyone input or output is a real. We should get definitely real, and also domain, it is also real. Okay, what we are taking, that is a domain, what will come is a range. Okay, now mostly here we have to understand three cases. Mostly three cases are here. Regularly they will come. Okay, the first one, the function y equals to f of x is a function, then inside the square root, inside the root. Okay, your function is inside the root, okay, and as a denominator, okay, and inside the log function, like this, inside log functions. Okay, now in which the inside the root we have here more two cases: even root or odd root. Okay, for even root here the function, here the mention the function f of x greater than or equals to 0. Okay, it is the domain. The value, which interval is called the domain of given. Okay, for odd we can taking here, for all x belongs to R, the domain. For all x belongs to R. For only odd roots, even roots are. For even roots only we can taking f of x greater than or equal to 0. Okay, that is the confusion between them. Please remember. Okay, for denominator should not be 0, definitely, like this. That means R except 0. Okay, and the inside the log function, and also suppose here we can taking the base as a function g of x. Now here f of x should greater than 0. Okay, and the g of x, the base, now base is always not equals to 0 and 1. Okay, g of x not equals to 0 and 1. It should be greater than 0. Okay, remember. Okay, actually log functions are always greater than 0, and also the base also does not equals to 0 and 1. Remember. Okay, these three cases are main, we can understand. Let us go with our problems of domain. Okay, now I can take some problems here. Okay, first one, under root 7x minus 5. Okay, now second one, cube root of 7x minus 5. Okay, third one, 1 by 7x minus 5, and fourth one 1 by square root of 7x minus 5, fifth one 1 by cube root of 7x minus 5. Okay, and also 1 by x minus 1 and x minus 2. Okay, 1 by not log x minus 3 x square minus 9 is a what? X square minus 9 is a base. Okay, let us go with our problems. Under root function for even, definitely it should be a greater than or equals to 7x minus 5 greater or equals to 0, then x greater or equals to minus 5 becomes as a 5 by 7. Okay, now clearly here the greater than or equals to x belongs to 5 by 7 comma infinity. Okay, now everyone we can taking in number line. It is called number line. Okay, minus infinitive, it is a plus infinitive, 5 by 7 comma infinity. Okay, now this is for this one, and cube root of under root 7x minus 5 for odd functions, odd root function inside the odd root, the function inside the odd root, then for all x belongs to R. Okay, x is a real, taking all the values of total one is a domain. Okay, next, denominator should not be 0, just should not be 0. That means x not equals 5 by 7. That means x belongs to R, but except 5 by 7. Okay, x minus 5 by 7, R minus 5 by 7. Right. Now here, even inside the even root and as the denominator, two cases are included here. So, first of all, 7x minus 5 greater or equals 0 when it is a even function, but not equals to 0. Simply, we can taking only the greater than 0, just enough. Okay, now it is like this, but except 2 equals to 0, x belongs to 5 comma, x greater than 5 comma 7. Now it should be x belongs to 5 by 7 comma infinity. Okay, na? Open interval means except 5 by 7. It is a more than 5 by 7, but except it is a more than 5 by 7, but included 5 by 7 because of it is a closed bracket. Okay, now here clearly here x belongs to R, yes or no? It is a, because of it is a odd. It is a odd one. Here x belongs to R, but except now denominator should not be 0. So that means R except 5 by 7. It is like this one. Okay. Now here x minus 1, x denominator does not equals to 0. Then x does not equals to 1 comma 2. So that means R except 1 comma R except 1 comma 2. Okay, let us go with the log function. Now here the log function, first function, it should be x minus 3 greater than 0. Yes or no? Then x greater than 3, then it is a x belongs to 3 comma open interval 3 comma infinity. Okay, now x minus 3 already included here, so no need to take, just we can taking the base should not be equals to 0 and 1. Okay, then x square minus 9 not equals to 0 means x square not equals to 9 and x not equals to plus or minus 3, and also x square not equals to x square minus 9 not equals to 1, then x square not equals to 10, then x not equals to plus or minus under root 10. Okay, now here x belongs to, the common solution is x belongs to 3 comma infinity, but except plus or minus 3. Observe here 4 points are here, 3 minus 3 plus 3 and minus root 10 plus root 10. Okay, these are not included, these are excluded. So plus or minus already excluding. And minus root 3 also be not belongs to this interval. Only the plus root 10 included in this interval. So, except root 10. Okay. This is a solution for given function. Okay. Let us doing more problems, previous problems. Okay. The first one is the root x plus 2 plus 1 by log of 10 1 minus x. Okay. Now here the choices are minus 2 comma 0 union 0 comma 1. Second one minus 2 comma 0 union 0 comma 1. Third one minus 2 comma 0 union 0 comma 1. Same values but different intervals. Okay. Let us do this one. Two functions are here. Definitely here x plus 2. Okay. It is a under root x plus 2. It is a function under root, inside the root. So, for inside the roots, for even roots, it is a x plus 2 greater or equals to 0, yes. Okay. Then x belongs to, okay. Then x greater or equals to minus 2. Here x belongs to minus 2 comma, closed interval minus 2 comma infinity, yes or no. Okay. Now, this is the first one. And log of 1 minus x. Log functions are always greater than 0 is a positive. Okay. Now, base is already, that is a number. Okay. 1 minus x greater than 0. And also, it should not be as a 0, yes or no. Okay. So, 1 minus x greater than 0 and also 1 minus x, when it should be 0, 1 minus x is equals to 1. So, taking not equals to 1 because of it should not be 0. So, it should not be 1. Okay. Then here minus x not equals to 0 means x equals 0 enough. X not equal 0. Excluding 0. Our solution with answer excluding 0. Okay. And one more interval is here. X minus 1 less than 0, then x less than 1. X less than 1 means x belongs to minus infinity comma 1. Okay. We have more one interval. Two intervals are there. Okay. For more intervals, we can taking what? The common interval, the common solution. The common interval, so first one is this one, D1 intersection D2 intersection D3, so on. Okay. For the common intervals, we can taking, for the more intervals, we can taking the common interval, that is the solution. So, the first one intersection second one, so taking on the number line, it is easily to understand minus infinitive and plus infinitive. Minus 2 comma infinitive. Minus 2 comma infinitive means suppose minus 2 here and 1. Okay. Minus 2 comma, let. Now this is a minus 2 comma infinitive interval. Okay. Observe here minus 2 comma infinity. Okay. And x not, sorry, minus infinity comma 1, minus infinity comma 1, minus infinity comma open interval 1. Okay. Minus infinity comma. Clearly observe the common interval is, our solution, for solution common interval is minus 2 comma 1 interval actually, but excluding 0, suppose 0 is here, excluding 0 value. So, now clearly it can be written as x belongs to minus 2, closed interval minus 2 comma 0 up to 0 and from 0 to or 0 to 1. Okay. But except 0. Actually, the interval minus 2 comma 1 but except 0. Okay. Now, which one is suitable? Let observe. Second one is the solution for our given function. Okay, this is the solution. Okay, let one more function. The domain of f of x equals to sine inverse of x minus 1 by under root 9 minus x square. Their options are 2 comma 3, close interval 2 comma 3, close interval 1 comma 2, open interval, close interval 1 comma 2, fourth one, close interval 2 comma 3, open interval. Okay, let two functions are there. Now one of the function is in mostly in 3 cases, but it is a sine function, trigonometric function. For trigonometric function, let observe sine inverse domain is minus 1 comma 1, close interval minus 1 comma 1. Sine inverse x domain is minus 1 comma 1. Their x belongs to what? Minus 1 comma 1. Okay. Now x value between here sine inverse of x minus 1 interval is minus 1 comma 1. From the problem actually it is a form. From the problem x minus 1 is between minus 1 comma 1 interval. Okay. Let add, sorry, actually the question is wrong. Here it is a minus 3. Okay, x minus 3. Now add 3 in 3 places. 3 minus 1 greater or equals to x greater or equals to 3 plus 1, 2 less or equals to x less or equals to 4, then x belongs to 2 comma 4 interval. Okay, let observe here from the number line. Now suppose taking 2 here and 4. Okay, these are the critical points 2 and 4. Now which is a given this interval. Okay, now add one more, under root 9 minus x square. For under root 9 minus x square, 9 minus x square should be greater than 0 because of that is also as denominator of function. Okay, then here x square minus less than greater than 0, x plus 3 into x minus 3 less than 0. Okay, then it is x belongs to minus 3 comma 3. X belongs to minus 3 comma 3. Okay, now the common solution of both, we have two intervals. The common interval is what? Minus 3 comma 3, maximum minus 3 comma, suppose it is a below 2, then minus 3, suppose here minus 3 and also 3 is between 2 and 4, yes or no? Okay, now let clearly observe the common solution is what? Closed interval 2 comma 3. Okay, closed interval 2 comma 3. The common solution is a closed interval 2 comma 3. Okay, at which one? The fourth one is a solution. Okay, these are the very important domains. Okay, I hope you can understand, and our next video is wavy curve method. Don't miss it. Please follow my channel. Please subscribe and like, share to your friends. Okay, don't miss it. Our next video is wavy curve method. It is a very important and useful for solving the inequalities, polynomial inequalities.